Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. New leaks have revealed the phone specifications and the latest price of a new smartphone that could become a hit in the ultra-budget segment. According to the latest news data, the potential OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro hit revealed ahead of announcement, getting Samsung's display, massive huge battery, and IP69X protection in a cheapest price tag. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The OnePlus Turbo 6X is coming unexpectedly soon, and will be very affordable. New details about the upcoming OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro smartphone have surfaced online. According to Insider Digital Chat Station, the device has already been tested, ahead of its official announcement. The model belongs to the new Turbo 6X series, and is expected to occupy a position in the affordable segment. According to the information, the smartphone will feature a flat 1.5K OLED display from Samsung, with a 144Hz refresh rate. The screen will also feature eye protection technologies. It was previously reported that it will use an LTPS panel. Another key feature will be an 8000 mAh battery, and an IP69X rating is also mentioned, guaranteeing high resistance to water and dust. As a reminder, the base model in this series is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, setting the bar for the entire lineup. This new model is aimed at users looking for an affordable smartphone with long battery life. The most surprising aspect is the price. The OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro is supposedly priced around 1,000 yuan, which is equivalent to $147. The new Turbo 6X Pro is likely targeting a more budget-friendly crowd, while still delivering strong key specs. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.